Doing another repair here with the beam. This is the 230. Got a few of them all over the place. Anyway, just want to show you that right now it's stuck doing this resetting, and it's saying the motor is okay. Prims 1 motor okay, but it's resetting with a system error. So we're gonna go ahead and troubleshoot it. First thing I'm gonna do is look at the belt. So I'm gonna take the sides. Usually this is the color modem. So the bottom belt is usually the other belt that's complaining about. So I'm gonna be removing this to look at that belt. So let's power it off. Okay, so remove this cover. First thing you can see, belt is snapped. There goes the belt. Snapped. So that is why you get that error. So go ahead, take all this out. You can watch my other videos on how to replace this. But basically you got to remove the bolt that goes right here. Once you remove the bolt, disconnect all these wires that are going through, and then you'll be able to lay this on its side and pull this head out. As soon as you pull it out, pop in a new belt, and make sure you're going to have to remove the sides too, so you are able to get the new belt into place. So watch my other video on how to replace this belt, but that is your problem.